Successful construction admin, successful construction projects translate into successful architects. Risk management is a cornerstone of successful projects. To understand risk in a construction project, the project needs to be analyzed at a granular level. The risks that exist in the details accumulate and cascade. Without looking at the details of the project, we'll have an incomplete understanding of the project. So how do we approach this? We can examine the project tasks and identify any areas of uncertainty. These are often clear as the project plan is being put together. One common issue is technology. For example, is the technology adequate that the task can be accomplished? Architects can design projects that are difficult to build from an engineering or trades viewpoint. And secondly, does the construction firm that's been engaged command that technology? If there's uncertainty around this issue, this is a project risk that may result in delays and cost overruns. The consequences to the architectural firm may be excess hours of supervision or redesign requirements, and this can impact the reputation with the client and the client relationship. Let's look at another common factor: site conditions differing from those anticipated. This is recognized as one of the most common causes of projects going off plan. How? There's the obvious additional scope and costs that are incurred to deal with the differences. Over and above this, this will impact time frames, and pushing out the time frame may create seasonal issues, which will of course impact costs and schedules. Timeframes may cause supplier problems or labor availability or labor competence costs. A myriad of general contractor issues can arise from this. Most significantly, this illustrates how one of these issues cascades into many others. And of course, this can impact the architect. The project can require more hours of supervision than estimated, not all of which may be chargeable. It can impact the client relationship, the image of professionalism. It can impact the architect's relationship with subcontractors, GCs, and suppliers. And of course, all of this cascades into the operation of the firm, profitability, morale, scheduling of jobs. Let's look at another common issue: design changes. Changes in design are often assumed to be a positive event for construction firms in terms of profitability and project success. This may or may not be the case. Design changes may also be a source of extra revenue for the architectural firm. However, caution is advised. Design changes may stem from an incomplete design at the initial stages of the project. This is often the result of a lack of investment up front or incomplete decision-making by the client. It results in RFIs and change orders, and an excessive number of these can impede the general progress of the whole project. The hours spent by the firm may not be completely chargeable or accounted for. The project may go over budget, reflecting poorly on the firm. Excessive changes in design are cited by the Construction Institute as the #1 cause for projects going off track and being unsuccessful, unprofitable for construction firms, architects, and clients. These are just 3 of the most common risks and issues in construction projects. There are many more. On the screen here is a list of the most commonly cited issues in construction projects according to the Construction Institute, and a survey of thousands of firms, architectural and construction firms. And of course, any of these will impact the project and the architect. We've just looked at the most typical construction risks. These are broad categories. Within each, there are a myriad of stories and case studies. To learn more about common risks in construction projects, join us for one of our instructor-led webinars or live seminars. To see a list of upcoming sessions, go to our website at risk.courses. Or for more information on project risk, visit our website at riskmanagement.construction.